Alright, this is on the Desert Runner, and we are looking in the inlet port of the receiver dryer. So let's back out here a little bit so you can see what we're looking at. So that's the inlet port, and it's just as black and dirty as the discharge on the compressor. And if you see back in there, there's the sight glass. Oh, wait a minute. Why is that clean? That says in. Hey, I know why your compressor burnt up.
What?
The receiver dryer was on backwards. They're both the same thread, so it could be spun around in any direction. But you see all that blackness in there? Mm-hmm. Remember the blackness, the discharge out of your compressor?
Yeah.
You see that clean? And then you see it says in.
Mm-hmm.
If that's in, what came out of your compressor was dirty and black. So that should be dirty and black. What is out is where the sight glass is, and that's all dirty and black. So that means this was in backwards. So what it was doing was it was injecting refrigerant, compressor oil and refrigerant out, and it was separating it into a vapor, and it was returning vapor with very little lubricant going back. This was backwards. That was
we need to check that though, because I put it in
the way you put it in, the way it came out.
Yeah.
I want to cut that open, because what I should find now when I cut this open, what normally happens is on the inlet right here where it's clean and it shouldn't be clean, it would go in, and then what it does is it comes in here at the top, and there's a pad with material, with filtering material, and this is a straw where the sight glass goes down. There's actually a straw that goes all the way to the bottom, so it picks up the cleaned oil and refrigerant that goes to the bottom, and then it goes up the straw and then comes out and feeds the expansion valve clean, dry refrigerant. Well, watching this way should have been clean, dry refrigerant. So let's go up there and look at that to make sure, because if you put it in the way it is, you did everything you're supposed to know, you didn't know, you were just following what they did. All right, so I'm gonna stop this video, we'll go over and inspect.